This time of the show, each and every week, live here on the show, we always bring to you the special guest of the week. And this week is a special guest. I'm going to bad out the road, you know. He have so much different name, I don't even know what to call him now. I don't know if to call him Bashman King. Jacobs, he's been here before and he's back again. Jacobs, what's good, my brother?
Yeah, I'm good, man. First and foremost, thanks for having me on the show. Man's happy to be here.
How you mean? Respect a man as to come through. You know, we always watch you go and I'm like, you know, me jump straight into it. I like your hunger.
Mm-hmm.
I'm like, I'm see the growth in terms of improvement in a lot of things.
Yeah.
And I don't know what's happening side screen or behind the scenes or whatever, but it's working.
Yeah, we're just, trying loads of different things and whatever sticks. We're trying to just push it forward, you know what I mean?
Yeah. Well, what's good since we talked last? Because it's been a while.
Yeah, so a lot of development, personal development and with development within the music and just trying to take it to the next level. Just trying to approach things from a different standpoint.
Yeah.
Trying to do as much as you can, mostly consistency. And, you know what I mean, just trying to keep on the right track because it's easily to get deterred and,
and start forgetting.
Yeah, but we're just trying to, keep it positive, keep it moving and just, like I said, take it to the next level.
Yeah. Quick refresher for people who've never seen Jacobs before, don't know anything about Jacobs. Jacobs, predominantly dancer. You were born in the UK, right?
Yeah.
Give me a quick rundown.
Shouts the Midlands, we come from the Midlands, so that's Northampton. Shouts Leicester, Nottingham, the whole works.
That me gonna say, cause me see your Midland support up there.
Yeah, that's the place. You know what I mean. So the vibe coming from the Midlands, it's a vibe still.
Yeah.
Up there, it's just everything's just a bit more open.
Yeah.
So like, I'm back and forth. Like I'm mostly based in London right now.
Yeah.
But when we go back to the Midlands, that's home. You know what I'm
like
saying?
homecoming. Yeah.
Yeah.
See it.
So when we go there, and it's like, cause there's no one else really from the Midlands really doing dancehall like that.
Yeah.
So it's a privilege to be able to come to London and be recognised and. You know what I mean? It's mad, especially coming from there and being recognised here. People are looking at me different back there. So it's good and, we're inspiring some people as well to feel like they can do it as well.
You're doing Bashment, what is kind of Bashment used to be a taboo, but now it's more making it to me in the front screen, like the big station them playing Bashment now.
Yeah.
And the playlist, which is a compliment to like people like you, because you don't understand. You see your age group, for you to bring that, because I listen to your music then, because me very critical of people who not living in Jamaica or directly in the culture who do Bashment. No disrespect to anybody who's living in any of the diaspora, whether USA or over here or anything, but I listen to the authenticity of the sound.
Yeah.
And your sound is no different from a youth when we know grew up on the ends and decided for the dancehall music. Only say that you're raised in a different environment, which I have to respect as well.
Yeah.
So I think that you connecting with your peer group is very essential for your career, and I see you doing that.
Yeah, I feel like I'd say the angle that I approach it from is different, obviously, because I was born over here.
Yeah.
And I feel like that was a thing that it was a conscious thing that I knew there would be criticism with regards to, but I just feel like no one's better than me. You know what I mean? No matter where you come from, like even if it's a clash thing, like from the freestyles I put out, like lyrical content is something that's high up on my list, and I feel like no matter where you come from you put someone in front of someone else, and it's lyrics for lyrics.
Yeah.
Like the lyrics speak. So I just feel like, and I put a lot of effort into this, and so I just feel like no matter what, it just works, because I did a lot of things. Like I started on grime, like I did with double and drill, but when I do this, it just sticks for some reason.
It just works.
I don't know why. I don't know why this particularly works, but
because
it
sound authentic, and it not sound like you try to put on a front.
Yeah.
Somebody will do things where that you can tell, say, all right, it's even me. Sometimes when me try sound a bit English, the only reason why I do it is because when I work in the environment, me have to kind of communicate with everybody around me.
Yeah.
But when me go my yard settings, I'm comfortable and everything flow.
Yeah.
Because I now have to try to put on a front for it.
Yeah.
So see when you do your music and you give me a little yard vibes there because of you, me get J-Caz.
Yeah, and I think as well because I mix it in with the UK as well.
Then that you see the
So-
same thing man try to show you because
So-
you mix it into it with your because you go school here,
Yeah.
so you understand the dialect here.
Yeah.
So then can relate to your story.
And even what I'll do is like even if my vocals are maybe leaning too much towards the outside, I'll make sure I find a kind of more UK instrumental,
Center, yeah.
or if the beats are very hard, I'll make sure I
They
have
don't know where I go and Jagan.
Yeah.
You know
They
where I
know
go
where-
on.
should have a nice blend, you know.
I like when artists sit down and see what's the best thing for them and the type of music they means you work towards your strength.
Mm.
And like him seem like say him have a very good idea in terms of that. Because like we're a bashment DJ, we grew up in a dancehall era.
Yeah.
Don't think say I'm gonna play in a mixed crowd party and I'm gonna jump in at something where it's not inside my comfort zone.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go to the closest thing that's comfortable with me, what's gonna work for the party.
Mm-hmm.
So when you say I try mix it up a bit with a bit of what going over here, because obviously you say you grew up over here,
Mm.
you have to work in your comfort zone and where the people I work with. What's the best thing for you?
Next, yeah, definitely. Because for 2018, we did a few collabs.
Yeah.
How are you with collabs?
To be honest, I don't really like doing them because trying to work with artists and trying to get everyone's schedule together and get everyone's mindset together and everyone having their job to do in terms of pushing a song. A lot of people say that they want to do the song and then when it comes to do the video, they're missing. Or when it comes to do the promo, they don't post.
Yeah.
So, you know, I don't really like doing them. But when I meet someone and the energy is good and then we can collab and it works, then...
This new one's, the new collab, I really like the new collab with the
I
girl.
appreciate that.
That is the first time I hear the song.
Yeah.
I say, can you know what, I always see, what's her name again?
Shauna Sade.
Shans, yeah. I always see her and I like her music, but when I saw you doing a promo like you're going to do a song, and I'm like, I'm interested to hear this because
How's it going to sound?
her thing is kind of, but I like how it was put together.
Yeah.
It was put together because you just going hard with and the melody to it is just right.
Yeah. I think everything complements each other and that I think my voice, her voice and
Yeah.
everything complements each other. Like how that song came about, I actually did the whole song like without her there. And then I don't even know what came over me. I just thought let me try to do a collab, and then I thought who would
Yeah.
sit nice on this.
Yeah.
And then I always seen her videos just pop up on Twitter.
Yeah.
I didn't really know her at the time really that much. It was shouts Nathan Hector. He retweeted one of my old videos.
Yeah.
And then she quote tweeted it like, "Rah, like how come I've never heard of you before?" And then we just spoke, and then I just said like, "Are you interested?" And she kept it 100. She was like, "Yeah, like I like this tune. I'll do it." And then she was like very proactive and like, "Yeah, let's get this done. Because a lot of people say, "Yeah, well, do this," and then.
But when it's time to actually go
Yeah.
in the boot, they're not ready. As you said, the posting part, they will do the song, you know.
Yeah.
But it's time for market it. Nobody in the present.
Yeah. But yeah, like
Makes
even in like she was very involved in the video, like how we should do it, like location, dress codes, stuff like that. So
That's
yeah,
good.
man.
Shout out to
Shauna Sade.
Shana Sade.
Yeah.
Big shout. People, if you haven't heard that song, you need to go check that song. Wicked song. Not because I'm there in the studio. And you know, when me is a man like this, when song good, me just play it in my car loud and listen to everything, and me I hear bars from
Yeah.
start to finish.
Yeah, you know the lyrics have to be
Yeah.
there. Because I'm not a person that can just do a tune that sounds catchy and there's no lyrics in it. I just can't do it. Maybe if I did that, I'd be bigger than I am. But I feel like I'm gonna follow my path and I'm gonna get to whatever level that's
so
gonna be.
you're more in the lyricist thing either.
Yeah.
And the
Yeah, like I can do the melody thing still, but when I do the melody, there's lyrics in there. Even if you might not get it on the surface, but when the second or the third listen, you'll clock what I'm saying. But I originally used to do grime. I was clashing man in the park. I was clashing man in the bus station. I was clashing man on the
He's a
school.
grime man, so
Yeah, originally.
obviously
So
you're
you have to have
man.
lyrics. You can't come in a joke thing if
Yeah.
you're clashing. Like people will embarrass you.
Yeah.
And we were like because we're from the Midlands, yeah. But London was done with grime. London like 2000 and let me say I don't even know what year, but 2000 certain time London was done with grime. Everyone was on this rap thing. In the
Yeah.
Midlands, everyone was doing grime. And you had to have lyrics for a man's crew. Like 6 man could just come out and you have to clash all of them.
Yeah.
So like we were doing that. Like
But that helped you though.
yeah, 100%. And it gets you comfortable. Like and you get you in a good position where you can take feedback. Cause even when I started music, a lot of people used to laugh. Even when I started doing dancehall, a lot of people used to laugh. Like real thing. Like my friends, I play them, they be laughing.
Of
But
course.
like you just have to take it all on the chin, pause, and then you know what I mean, just figure it out. And then, you know what I mean? Like, it's mad because a lot of people that were laughing are like, they're like my biggest supporters now.
Yeah,
And
but
I wouldn't hold a grudge or anything like that. Like, it's good.
No. Those things make you stronger because like
Yeah.
you don't want somebody around and feel like
tell us
you're a whack and
Yeah,
then they
yeah,
feel
yeah.
like you're
Yeah,
the
you're the
baddest
best,
thing.
baddest thing. Yeah.
Like,
It's true still.
that's not good. It better them laugh off the and say, yo,
Yeah.
come again. That's no good.
Yeah.
live performances, because I realize you come alive when it's live. I've seen you live a few times.
Yeah.
What happens when the stage time for you? Because I see like you're going on different
You know,
realms.
it's even funny with that because I even had quite a few performances where things didn't work out at the start, and then like, I don't even mind to say like I'll go home and my stomach will be hurting me, and I'd be down, and then you just have to just keep going. I mean, I'm not gonna stand here and say every time I perform it's perfect. But a lot of the time when I perform, the place gets shown. You can see.
Yeah.
Go to my Instagram at IamJcas. You can see the clippings, and like we kind of figured out the formula to some extent now. But we're just trying to take it to the next level. Hopefully, work with some bands, get the lighting and all those kind of things now. But
Yeah.
because the lyrical thing, I have no problem with that. When I get on stage and I do that,
Yeah.
it gets the reaction, and then we've got the melody as well to keep the people in. But make sure you go check out the headline show, July the 18th.
Yeah.
At Highbury in Islington.
We're forward
at
that show,
Thousand
the man.
Islands.
We'll
So-
make sure we come cover that show.
that's going to be a mad thing, but I think it's definitely a good look for UK dancehall artists to be doing a headline show. Shout Styler, he did his one. I didn't make it to that one, but I heard good reviews from that one still.
And it shows that the climate is changing.
Yeah, 100%.
Of acceptance for the culture, and it's a proud moment for dancehall. Not just for people who don't follow the culture won't understand how these moments are important.
Yeah, 100%.
Because most of the venues a couple years ago, remember they were shutting out dancehall music and you can't play that if you say a dancehall DJ.
It was a burning credit for the longest time, innit?
Yeah.
Is it still banned now? Or they ease up
No,
after?
they kind of ease up off
Ease
it.
up off it now.
So I'm saying like the whole environment regarding the dancehall music and the stigma where they claim dancehall music portray behind it is changing because they're realizing like these mainstream artists, everybody's dabbling in dancehall. now, so it's not no stigma.
A lot of people are doing dancehall and not calling it dancehall.
Yeah, well, but it's
But
work.
that's a topic for another day.
That's another topic, but it a help
Yeah.
because
yeah.
people not fool.
Yeah.
People
But it's one of them was the people who know.
Yeah,
And
people.
I guess that's what that matters.
As to that
Sad.
topic, as we always say, it highlights a lot of other artists in that diaspora because like some of the time like a man never know Vibes Cartel like rare. When Drake start sing about popcorn and sing a few lines, I say big up this man. You get people interest going, so a man go research and
They go do
you
their
never know,
research,
you know,
yeah,
you might
yeah,
don't
yeah.
like Vibes Cartel song was Rick said
That's
last
true.
week.
Yep.
You might browse that thing dance and then your track might come up and a man like raw.
Yeah.
That's why I said it's
It's true
important
still.
to highlight the artists
Yeah.
when you're taking the craft.
Yeah.
It's important for you to highlight where you're getting it from, because then you become a vulture if you're not doing that. You're taking it for yourself. You're trying to. Anyway, I'm not going to go there because we'll start ranting and just get.
Yeah.
But for 2019, what's new for 2019 for Jcas?
We're just trying to be as consistent as possible, and we're trying to just expect the unexpected. That's all I can say. And you know, Jcas is a name to be remembered.
We know that when we see that.
So-
Talk to me about management. How do you manage the business side of Jcas? How do you manage to focus on doing all these records
Yeah.
and show? How do you balance it?
To be honest, it's not really a thing I could say that I strategically think about. Maybe I should spend some more time into that, but it's just a thing whereby it's just in me. So I just make the time, no matter what I'm doing, because I still work at the same time, because you know, see, the money I have to make and the bills, them have to be
Yeah,
from.
of course.
So we still have to work in that, and we're still trying to put up a couple of investments in, you know, so because we need to. I think as a people, ownership is something that we need to project more and to be onto that more. So like long-term plan, I know what I want to do. In terms of the day-to-day logistics of the management, that's something that we're still trying to put in position. So I'm starting to build up a team. I'm working with some people right now, but we're still trying to figure out, cross the I's, dot the I's and cross the T's.
Yeah.
In terms of that, it's just good quality music I'm trying to put out right now, and then when everything falls in line after that, then you know what I mean.
That
In a
makes
good
sense.
position.
Because the team is very important, and because teamwork,
Yeah.
I just said teamwork makes the dream work, and without team, because you can't be everywhere at the same time. You can't be doing
100%.
everything.
And it's mad because now, as I've been getting bigger in the music, and I've been figuring out some things, it's like a lot of the things that you think happen because someone's good, or like like meritocracy doesn't exist in the music business.
Yeah.
And what I mean by that is that just because you're the best artist doesn't mean you'll get the best opportunities, and it doesn't mean you'll have the biggest fan base. A lot of it is cliquey and who knows who. And like anyone in the business knows that it's something that people don't talk about.
Yeah.
Because, you know what I mean, you could get yourself shout out of a lot of things, but that's the fact.
It's a bit of great era in the music, and sometimes we don't talk about it because like you don't want to paint yourself as that guy.
Yeah, I understand 100%, 100%. But at the same time, with me, I always live my truth.
Yeah.
So everything I say is no malice. It's just the truth, and people know. But like at the same time, we're just gonna push it, and you know what I mean. Like I'll build up my networks. I mean, a lot of DJs do support me, and I'm thankful for it. And that's a network that I've built up. Like when I was coming up, like years ago, I used to message DJs.
Yeah.
Like I don't even know if you remember. I used to before me and you made the contact. I must have DM you like 3-4 times.
Yep.
So like you can already imagine what I was doing. Like with other
true.
DJs,
You
sending them
definitely-
jingles. I was sending dubs. I was running up on DJs. Real talk. Like
I see it,
tweeting,
man.
and now my songs are getting played on the radio station, national radio station, stuff like that.
Because
So,
I hear the new one and the other few others playing regular. I even take some videos on the. I haven't said them to send them to you or anything. I did some videos in my car. I'm like, what? My missus, I said, why you videoing the player? Because a video, the name come up and everything. I have the video store.
yeah.
Because I say, yeah, this is a proud moment.
Yeah.
She not understand where you're forward from
Yeah.
to what's happening now. And it's all organic. When I see something organic,
Yeah.
I'm proud of that. But we have another person inside of the team,
Yeah.
inside the studio as well
Yeah.
this evening. I would like to welcome him to the show. Good evening, sir. And could you just explain to the listeners and the viewers who is this gentleman sitting in our studio next to J. Kaz?
First off, we're cousins, isn't it?
A cousin?
Yeah, so I'm a cousin, you know, so obviously like I manage Jacobs and stuff like that with marketing and stuff, you know, helping with registering the songs, them
Merchandise. and stuff.
merchandise.
Yeah, so you're the person behind the scenes.
yeah.
Yeah, definitely. This is the first anyone's really seeing him like that.
Yeah.
Is a man don't really like cameras, but we're bringing him out today still.
Yeah.
That's wicked. That makes sense. And how do you find getting his stuff to the masses? Is it challenging, or is people accepting it when you reach out?
Yeah, people do accept Jacobs, you know. I mean, I try to push him more in Jamaica more than anything, because obviously I was brought up in Jamaica.
Okay.
15 years, I'm gonna come over here, so a lot of people that went to Jamaica, they like him there, you know. So
You can have a different flow on him.
yeah,
and
he have a different for everybody say him sound good and stuff like that, but at the same time we just need more like to maybe visit there and
yeah.
I think
push
everyone's
it
just
there.
waiting for. I think everyone's just waiting for the one song.
Yeah, that one song to get him.
Yeah.
I
You
think
know,
everyone's
to
just
get
waiting
him.
for the one song.
You go find
you
the
know what I
one
mean?
song, man. Once you
Yeah.
find the one
Yeah,
song,
man. But you know, we're building the groundworks right now. Cause like even like a man like Cartel is my favorite artist of all time, and he had loads of good songs that were just building up the platform. And a lot of people I speak to said they didn't know Cartel until he dropped Bicycle. For us, that's late.
Yeah.
but you have to understand, like
Yeah.
that's how people work. And by that time, he had everything
Yeah,
locked by that time.
I get what you're saying. Like, remember they dub Idonia for King of the Underground,
Yeah.
and like Idonia was doing things. He was moving people. Like a long time ago, he was selling out show, but he just never get that breakaway song.
mainstream.
Where people could have said like, it's a real top artist.
Yeah,
but we know
yeah,
he's
yeah.
always lyrically.
Yeah.
But you know, when you're in that lane, you just have to put in work consistently until you get a one hit song where give it all that notification.
Yeah.
Because like, alright, for instance, compare like say Charlie Black and them. They've been doing the work, but when they get that massive international song, it's like all the light is on you and nobody else.
Yeah.
Opens the
then,
door for you.
and then you look like say you are a better artist than these people because they get that one breakaway song.
Mm-hmm.
Cause you open a lot of door, but yeah, people been putting material in dancehall music, and as what I'm saying, it seems like you've been doing some good work. I haven't get the chance to really sit down and listen to your music because like it's been a really mad weekend for me, so
Yeah.
I didn't really
yeah.
get the chance to do it. So I will definitely start give you a song.
Watch,
so
listen.
and
When Jagan here, cause me know Jagan what Jagan like. It's when Jagan
Yeah.
here, cause
Yeah.
I'm the man behind the brain for the music. You notice me not even play. When him here, I go on. Me
Yeah,
not
yeah.
nothing, cause he's a man who have an ear for music
We
to like
got
myself.
loads of different flavors, and if you're into, we got something for that still.
so as what I say, like we all in this thing. We all about promoting self-made people, homegrown talent. Like
Yeah.
some of the time, like you try to jump on some bandwagon where it's already there and it's not benefit nobody. It's not benefit our community or diaspora either. So that's why we have. I should normally do all this section what we call the plug, but because some circumstances you never get to done today. You know what I mean? We're a coffee though. Place have to go. Have to take on been a mad weekend like. People know I go never get to take on a weekend, but anyway, it's one of them things. So people do apologize because like.
No plug that weekend.
I got a lot of songs to play and a lot of things to do. So they also send me the material for this week. Plug like. Don't worry, man. I make it to next week.
Next week.
You know, plug or shot. You know, get that half an hour that week. They saying.
How you mean? Mad thing. Jake,
I don't know I got.
what would you say would be your best record for you personally that you recorded?
My personal favorite. You know, honestly, it depends on my mood, but I'd have to say Senseless, because that one, I feel like out of all a lot of my songs do different things, they go different places, but I feel like Senseless did a lot for me. That was my first song that I released properly on my channel, and that's gross. Like between the audio and the video on my channel is on over 70,000 on my own YouTube channel, and then on my SoundCloud it's on like 40,000. So overall that's 110k on the stream off my own back.
Yeah.
And then a lot of like big people shared it, like NSG, Steph London, like quite a few big people were sharing it as well.
As well, didn't he?
Yeah. And then who else? There was quite a few, like Pagey Cakey as well. Like a lot of people were showing love on that one, Gecko as well. So like that one just took me to a different place.
But that is the key. I realized I was gonna say it to you, but I realized that because I'm looking at your page right now, and I realize you're doing it because you're sharing your music first on like the bigger platform, then you're putting it onto your channel, which is the way forward. You know why me always hate to say when the artists them put them song only on
Graham Daily,
Graham Daily them and don't put it on your channel
you're
as
not
well.
building nothing for yourself, big man. You don't have a YouTube page.
You don't have a
but
fan base in that way, you know what I mean? You don't
Like,
get a fan base, you just...
You have to have it on your page
I don't
as
know
well.
if they not understand, yeah? Looking at this, what I call it, music industry. You know, we don't have no distribution, no black man not want a distribution, nothing.
But they on GRM Daily though, slightly.
No, I'm talking distribution hub.
Oh,
Talking
okay.
about, like,
To get
Yeah.
to get on the major platforms and stuff like
The
that.
big
Yeah.
thing them
Yeah.
in terms of our music and what our music do,
Yeah.
it's not owned by none of us because we just never designed that way for the business idea. It's like, I don't know, it's like a mental slavery thing, bruv.
I think that's a bit wrong, you know, because I feel like maybe the people who have the idea just don't get the support or the backative, you know what I mean?
Alright, so
Yeah, because even I was watching one thing and it was like Dame Dash, it was Suge Knight and who's the one that owned Jay Prince. They were planning on opening some distribution business, but it got shut down by the powers that be. I mean, that's something that would have been monumental. And
it just never worked out because you know what, you have this faction fighting against this faction, so it's just not working. Look how big Jay-Z and Puff Daddy and all them, man. Why them can't come together and just do something major for the music.
Yeah, they should. Yeah, them two, if they came together, that would be.
That'd be a madness.
Yeah.
And then you just have a look at it. It's gonna always be a vicious circle because I don't see no young artists coming up gonna do that anytime soon. To be honest, so it's a vicious circle.
Yeah,
it's definitely a vicious circle. But people, if you're just joining us, you're live on Facebook. Good evening to you. Welcome to the show. Remember, like and share and subscribe to our YouTube channel, Upnliveshow. But right now, you know what time it is, because everybody will forward on the show. I think you something live. And right now, we are talking about the Bashman King. There, I know.
Yeah.
It's not an ordinary king, you know.
Yeah.
But before we go any further, I wanted to just give us some of your socials before we start getting into this, because I don't want you to get all hype up and we forgot to give out the right thing. Socials for us, please.
Yeah, so make sure you follow me at IamJKaz on all platforms. That's at IAMJKAZ. That's Indigo, Alpha, Mother, Juliet, King, Alpha, Zebra on all those socials. You see it? Snapchat, Insta, SoundCloud, YouTube, everything.
All of that. Right? People, right now, this is the freestyle session right here. J-Kaz live in the building. Bashman King.
What you say? Keep it clean or?
Clean if you can, please.
If you can, please, yeah?
If I can. Does that mean I have an option or does that mean keep it clean?
If I can.
Alright, cool. Yo, watch out. Hey, yo. Yeah. Keep it clean. So when me say, you know it's your boy J-Kaz. Watch ya, hey, yo, hey. How me say, open the door and let me in the house. Girl, you quiet like a mouse. Now what time for your break out? Touch your body one time, no one fi stop it now. From your body so nice, Jay, cause I test it out. From in me room, girl, you not gonna make it out. Make you sign contract and take you up a coat. Play with your body like you're there in the cut and then a dung in you. How me say, take off your tight jeans, take off your coat. Take off your shoes in the cupboard, then for go. Jay to the cause make the girl a wine slow. Girl, you quiet like a mouse, now what time for your record? Say she have the melody, she say she have the flow. She have a boyfriend, but he's never at the home. Say him a bad man, say him a do road. While him a sell crow, she a jump on it. She have the glimity glam.
No, Jagger, no, nah.
You know what just happened a while ago?
Take out the bass.
Take out the bass.
Me know.
See what just happened, yeah?
Reload.
But anyway, reload on this one now. Jay, cause you ready? Get something different, you know.
Alright. Yeah. Alright, so no more. Yo. So when me tell them, watch out, hey, yo. So me say pose them a pose in a name brand crepe. And them a hole with some name brands. If them this we make it rise and select 5 in your neck. Anytime the guys them a step, rise up the web, I'll up the 9 when we step, hey. But money pa me mind and me head. So the money have to rise like a pile of cement. Anytime money rise, multiply dividends. It's the JJ. Shots with the ballet. Wish I brought the wood like a Malay. Yeah, I got peas in my alley. Points on the tally. School runner. Dwayne Wade on a catty like. Hey, that's a violation. Next video. Let me switch it up. Let me switch it. Yeah. Yo, a different thing. Yo, hey, yo. Me say King Selassie I dey on the throne and I govern. I trust myself, oh me fi trust man. Me cousin fresh out of jail, touch road him just land. Me just plan fi bus. Can't sit down like a worthless man. She said Jay, cause how you do it like that? From me drop me song, you fi play it right back. Yo dog, me never want beat you like that. But the girl where you love not even rate you like that. So me touch down like style up. Girl follow we anywhere that I go. Drop a 16, every girl a while out. Drop a 16 every. Hey, she said Jay, cause me call and you never call back. From your drop go on bad, me say you go on bad. Me say yo baby no bother thought like that. Just sit down pon it and balance pon that. Hey, she say your boyfriend not have no dignity. Him a play while me a squeeze the Give me tryna keep it clean as a mad thing. Hey, yo, well alright. Me love it how she flick it and catch and she twist it like that cause she love J-Cats. Bubble up your body and I do the one drop. Then she ride like a jockey and she jump off of that. She run in at the room and she run in at the flat. She flick it over there so make me catch a heart attack. She bubble up her body and I do the one drop. She dressed all white, she dressed all black. She broke it out a socket like she now got show back in every road black. You know that your body so fat me go fi code that record that. Use my phone and if me miss a call one time me. Hey, it was a calm Friday night when it was a calm Friday night when the girl link me. Me a wall a magnum and she a drink a minty. She put down the minty and pick up a brandy. No more time for me dig up the. So let me tell you something if you never know about we. Yeah, we love bun and cheese and we love roti for protein. Curry goat and a macaroni. You know me, blow trees, winner in a codeine. Get the keys to the car, get the keys to my yard. When she see when me avance, she have to take off the. Leave your man in at the home, hey. How me tell you sitting where, hey. So them a talk about we, but we no matter that. Girl we want beat you, we have a lot of that. Bad pon the street, no them a chatterbox. Dog have one machine and it full of copper. Him bust it rat-a-tat-tat, knock it rat-a-tat-tat. Brag and act bad, see the bag and backtrack. Girl go long bad and balance pan. She just a wine, a broke it a wine pan man. Whiny, wine position. What them a do? What them a try? Can't flop the program. Aye, and so we give them in a style and fashion. Aye, she said good 1 in a million. 1 in a million like Christina Million. Come finger with your hand when DJ you play me song. Aye, she go on back in a dance or fashion. What me say? Yo, say them a talk about we, but we no matter that. Me say that before, but me say it then again. Alright, so me. Alright, next thing, what me say? Bang bang boom. Aye, yeah.
Like him want go hard for him a drain out J-Cats.
Bang bang
go on.
Yeah.
People, this is J-Cats Live. If you're live on Facebook right now, make sure you share the link here.
Yeah.
Ready again? Let's go.
Hey, Yo, she said, Jay, cause me call and you never answer. Girl, your body like a black panther. Freestyle upon the rhythm in a dog. Anything me say upon me, kill him in a dog. She said, Jay, cause you know you're back from 2016. Actually, no, wait, can I stand up? Is the camera gonna catch, man? Alright, so no more. Yeah.
Freestyle, they wanna get compatible then. What you mean? Do you feel like, brother? You're a spot, you know? Upnlive show, this is the extended version, you know?
Yeah.
I could do it now, people. Ready up, let's go.
From a drop senseless, every gal a go on bad. She said, Jay, cause boy, you better than bad. Miss a baby, come take the clean thing is mad still. Yeah. Let me catch it again. Yeah. So let me catch it again. Yeah. So let me catch it again. Versatile, hey. Yeah. Girl, you know if you do your thing, you know follow back or nothing. Have the wine that you bust it like a gun. So for me see you at the place, one in a million. Like the girl winning Christina million. So for me see the girl step in a jacket and dress. Can't lie, she have to give me some. I mean know you have a man, it's not a part of the plan. But now she have to come and give me. So me make the girl bend up, bend up. Style where you have 10 out of 10 up, 10 up. How the blood, them a friend up, friend up. Police in a me yard about, get up, that a set up, set up. Me say bend up, bend up. Me call Jacqueline and now step up. And I'm a wreck. Watch out.
Big up for that, big up.
You can go there so before that you like. Buy your jewelry and extras. In a the lingerie where she buy. Make me a for yours for your second try.
People.
Oh, what me urgent?
Big up. Listen, people.
My manager's gonna get onto you. You have to pay, man. That's like a booking. That's like 5 bookings, bro. That's like 5 bookings.
No, grateful. Grateful.
I'm running jokes still.
If we don't know Jay cause bad,
yeah,
you can see he's very lyrically inclined.
Yeah.
People on Facebook, remember, you know, thumbs up or thumbs down icon in here. You know what the thing go?
Yeah.
If him hot, same hot. If him not, same flap. You know what the thing go? We
Simple
keep it
as
real
that.
around here, see?
Yeah.
And you know my book, him bad.
Bad.
Yeah,
Well
bad.
bad.
He might do it. Fully bad. Stamp of approval, you know, from Dragon. Jay cause go on a road.
You mean? And if you come forward late on the live, or if you've been listening late, we're gonna be having the video up on the Upnlive show page straight after this, so you can go back and watch it. All right, maybe tomorrow even, not today. Yeah, 'cause you know time schedule, editing, and all of that. All right, so people, other videos as well there on the channel. Make sure you go and subscribe to the channel. It's Upnlive show supporting UK and the rest of the world, of course. Jacobs.
Before we go, I have to say thanks for inviting me, Carl. You never
Yeah.
have to do that again, so man, I have to show gratitude still for every
Of course.
opportunity, Carl. Every opportunity you jump on, that's a new listener, that could be a new fan. So
Definitely.
thanks for inviting me to your platform.
And the show that you have again, your
July 18th,
July
Thousand
18th.
Island. Make sure you get your ticket, them ticketweb.uk. Go in there, type Jkaz and Raf Card. The thing's gonna be a mad one.
Yeah, definitely.
Special guests gonna be announced soon, so you know what I mean. Make sure you just follow the socials.
We are saying live because we want forward come cover it. We want to get some want some backstage pass with some little promo thing as well. So we are saying live, we are saying live, yes and now, you know I think
have to be there, you know, cause it's gonna be a different thing for me.
of course that movie. People, that was Jacobs live here, and all the best for you in the future. You're gonna be doing great things, and we're glad we are part of the journey.
Yeah,
Definitely.
100%.
Any last words before we go?
No, just stay tuned, and once again, thanks for inviting me, and you know we're out mad thing at I am Jkaz, boy.
See it, kill it, you know. No, Dragon take out the bass couple time, you know, cause I see Dragon go on with a bag of things. I know when Dragon see bad artists, you know. I know him style. But people, this is approximately 24 minutes coming up to 11. And if you're just joining us here, you miss a wicked piece of interview and a freestyle. Jkaz today, a bad artist. Also, before that, we had KQ was a bit earlier on today as well. Wicked piece of art. Remember, you can follow him on the social. That's KQ Music. Make sure you go support his music on iTunes, Spotify, and all that as well. All right. I am Jkaz, was here as well. Look out for big things for Jkaz. The show is sponsored by Shush Prints, Vast Print, and also World Mag Entertainment. And the part of the show, Dragon call it the top brav. What go on?
Top about the top brav that weekend. You know, me make Jkaz freestyle. Me make them digest a bit. Yeah. Me slow down the juggling that week, yeah. A little brav for juggling same here, but me slow down a bit.
Slow it down a little bit.
Me gonna digest a little. Yeah, alright. See it?
Alright.
Yeah, ready. Like this. If you want boring, you know, so locked into on Facebook Live, right? It's all about the Upnlive show. We're live at TGM Radio each and every Tuesday from the hour of 9 till 11.
Ladies, let's go.
One time. When I'm a real bad girl, them pop up and link me. Say she want give me king treatment, guess she feel kinky.
What are we here?
Me never feel like cheap, but she start convince me. Me say me the bomb, we are the messy, say she message me.
Are you ready
She
now?
She don't sleep nowhere.
I mean, say she now.
Sleeping nowhere. Say she gonna need me over there. Say she gonna need me over there. Do her me see her chandelier. She me see her chandelier. Look how me take me wicked. What a girl can. Man love you for life. Hope say you love me too. Yeah. Loving you daily and treating you right. Good times and bad times and me and you right. True. Man love you for life. Hope say you love me too. Yeah. Loving you daily and treating you right. Good times and bad times and me and you right. True, yeah. Ain't true. Loving you daily and treating you right. Loving the way you wind up, you're my queen, my baby. Rocky like a red stripe light. Yep, you're great, you're alright. I so make baptize. Alright, take it all night, yeah. Wind up your tight, mama play with you, damn. When she done sip the honey on the rock, plus the weed with a little blend. She give me the best. Bless. She give me the best. Bless. She Poland, yup, Gucci. Tight and pretty, that have beauty. Coming like Louis V, make your Gucci. Dr. Miami, eyes up your body. In a bus. Poland, yup, Gucci. Tight and pretty, that have beauty.
Also, this is why someone we call Vibes Cartel, aka the world boss.
Eyes up your body in a Versace, you go be a pretty cute. You're too thick. Better say you breathe, better baby so kick. Find the diaper, baby feel so slick. Designer. Girl, me can't miss a bundle with that timer. But you're there already when you make a China. Love, no. Who's panic like that, me know. You are my one and only, no.
We've been talking about designer, but this one is our next big brand.
If I know you, then I know nobody. The only make your governor. Come on, me hard in a nobody.
And this sign, the style of Victoria's Secrets. Ladies, I hope you can't keep it to know. What are we here?
Victoria, secret missing. Victoria, secret missing. Tell your body good and you little. Tell you get me hype like a stage show. When you wear your heels and you say true. From where you me leave on your page too. Tell you stay true. One give you a boo, can't grow. I know your love give me. Yeah, you no favor no scarecrow. And you ain't yeah. If I know you then I know nobody. The only make your governor. Come on me hard in a nobody. No sickness turn on your body.
You make him have to come home. Tell her you alone. Sit down panic like I say you feel your throne. Tell you pretty, send a picture to me phone. Bubble panic grizzly, yeah, me love it when you moan. If your man dead, pick him with a stone. If you bushy, me a travel with a comb. See me a wet, longer than a bone. No, pretty little pretty where you own. You make him have to come home. Tell her you alone. Sit down panic like I say you feel your throne. Tell you pretty, send a picture to me phone. Bubble panic grizzly, yeah, me love it when you moan. If your man dead, pick him with a stone. If you bushy, me a travel with a comb. See me a wet, longer than a bone. No, pretty little pretty where you own.
Me nah live.
But them nigga your body wicked in a bed. She can't say you can't bubble by your head. But them nigga your body wicked in a so feed it, where you forget. I feel member, I bet you say you no forget. Bet you say you no forget. Put the pep in your step. If your man dead, kick him with a crep. Remember, say me better than a pack of cigarette. See the ya wet, longer than a jet. Nah, no, pretend little, pretend till it wet. But them nigga your body wicked in a bed. She can't say you can't bubble by your head. But them nigga your body wicked in a bed. She can't say you can't bubble by your head.
So we don't care if the bomb and I'm going nowhere. She living it up and she out there, doing it with no fear. Hey, bubble your body for the up top boss. Bad man, I fuck your baby, your top class. Jump up in a belly like say you're upstart. Remember me, you're top notch, every girl a drop class. She skinny girl for me flat hard. When me touch it, tell her friend them set the boy bad. Back at your love brace against the ball. Make me stop your heart, baby, till your ball. Me feel the go, mommy, when you see don't funny. What a pussy die, you do if you broke cocky. The fuck a collie, me love you totally. Say she weak, but she not love nobody. But you love it anytime me slap up your body. And me love your baby because you're so cocky. And she love when he would in her hole. And she tell me say, boss said no take it out of the hole. Then down, then down, then down, then down, then down. Not alone. Turn down, turn down, turn down, turn down, turn down. Come here, fuck yourself and be. Bad man, I fuck yourself.
I'm a trench town. Mesh marine, I'm a clocks, I'm a baby. You know them know the baby? Watch your style,
Hey, good body girl, have you have it, girl, have you have it. Anyone you set it, they done no panic, girl. You little and no bag a man go panic. Good body girl, have you have it, girl, have you have it. You mark it up and me glad fi knock it. Send me money, ya, have me wallet. Hey, good body girl, have you have it. Me select it and clap me matic. You win on me life, girl, that's the topic. She love me for real and no act, she hack it. So she ride on the bicycle, pop this bracket. You're pretty every time, make her snap, take a pic. She take a set for me, she never quit from she want me phone, she a pressure it. Have it, me girl, have it. In your time space, so me drop me rocket. Turn round for the general, girl, me have to watch it. She love lollipop, bad flipping habit. Hey, good body, girl, have it. Have you girl, have it. Anyone you set it, they done no panic, girl, you little and no bag a man go panic.
Alright, me no have no fake blood. Me no know for sure fake love. Chat down my back when you see me. Don't change up. Alright. If you never talk to me last year, this year when you see me, keep the same energy. And if you never support the thing, don't clap when the wind down. Keep the same energy. You say me are the biggest out the road, now you want heal. Keep the same energy. Don't leave that out of your memory. Just keep the same energy. Success start show them want draw close. Like a them help the most. But disappear gone ghost, them can't compose. With dirty yard, clean clothes. Me only want real people around me. The ones alone, them surround me. Family where we struggle together. Can't call you a friend, me have to call you a brother, yo. If you never talk to me last year, this year when you see me, keep the same energy. And if you never support the thing, don't clap on the wind down. Keep the same energy.
Nah, grudge no boy if you wear them off, me no know where them get them things from, sir. Enough boy have man.
Once it's the place I want to call Charlie Black.
Everything what me have, me buy that.
No more wanna play that song, you know, that song you're serious gonna be. It's a serious song, you know, Charlie. I'm like that one, you know, dog.
Enough boy push out. Just like sound them book out. Man I mind them, so them book out. Them always dep on the look out. All of my
Let's back to the one we call Charlie Blacks. Saint Cent and youth, you know.
yeah, platinum.
Tell them no.
Nah, grudge no boy if you wear them off, me no know where them get them things from.
See you on the lane, dog.
Enough boy have man sponsor.
Hey.
Everything what me have, me buy that. Work hard and buy that. We no idiot, filthy life and we that. Vice enough boy push out. Just like sound them book out. Man I mind them, so them book out. Them always dep on the look out. All of my dogs, I'm straight, I'm sure about that. We no love like scars, hands full of fat. Good body girl alone to my clock. We we make every girl tick and tack. Girl I see me team and I back it up. On the ground right as so she a at it up. Fan down the bad ride and I back it up. Excited like KFC a fall mode. Yeah, that flick a body buckle then a we a do that. If you see me I red that the weed a do that. If me ready fi leave then a she cause that. When she a wind up past that. Me tell her what we say. We a hold it up, we nah go the wrong way.
Watch it.
Man stop up and talk them no stress. Boy can't
I only pass struggle man face I too deep in the watch it. I show you I pray. Born a country, grew up in the town. Mama never have your dog, she alone. 5 a week, in the one room, and make out a boat. When food for cook a coal, could not afford no stove. Now they get up, be a long gun, me grow.
You know what thing going on, big up foot hype, you know, big up fully body, you know, the whole team, you know what something going on, dog. No, fully that one, I got, dog.
Come and never have no fridge with no ice water. When me thirsty, I buy water. But mommy don't worry, man, I go make the money and take your.
How we came to the body bear off, it's a difference, you know.
As man tired, fi see I water fall on your cheeks. That make my voice harder. Out in the street and I promote my song. Them we are gonna make it a time of the master. If me not tell you, you don't know. Enough night man sleep on cool floor.
You see this song?
Cause I know that one day all this pain will fade away. I'm working so hard just to find no for sure. Go leave my youth shine round you, close the doors. Man want to take them family, go shopping for buy out the store. You so right, smoke them here, my boys can't cry out no more. No for sure, man fed up and I bring the steam.
Also this device is the one we call Massacre. So inside I know. Chicken up to the hour. 20 minutes to the hour of 11 inside UK, London. There's something going on. Upnliveshow, you know, we're there on the TGM radio. You know where something go?
Cause I know that one day all these pains will fade away. I'm working so hard just to find a better way. Man, will it out for baby? Days without no pain, my own. Man, will it out for baby? You sold it out for baby.
Smoke my stress away. Better get high just to get away. So much things I'm a mess today. Wanna forget my troubles of yesterday. Oh God, me a pray for a better way. Yo, I got so much bills to pay. Smoke my stress away. Better get high just to get away.
Have some girl mood fuck again. Have some friend mood link with again. Have some men when I go circle again. No prosperity me no see none of them. Have some food I me go share with them. Belly get full and me not see them again. When them a walk down, me can't trust them. No, me can't trust them. Hey, them fi jack buff, me fi jack pink. That's why me move so. Hawks from Belgian Chaplin.
No successful kind of thing. When I come from, much less can buy nothing. Before my buy the ride, me have the drive inside to take it to a whole nother level. Friends them did buy my side through hungry times. Me tell myself them if I make it out the top. Tell about the hardest, never let that get in my way. Focus on when me want, become I love my family.
Fresh I done fresh pain, still a girl can't call me freak. Can't call me. Mad them every day and everybody see it. Oh yeah. Step out clean at the place, them a beg me not done it, not done it, not done it. Do not done it, not done it, not done it. Enough boy girl show me style and no money, no money, no money. Them a fi beg me not done it, not done it. Hey, fresh paint, fresh paint, fresh paint. Hey, star boy them girl a get paid.
When me remember the times when me never have nothing, me stay to myself and me cry. All the fight when me fight and the times when me struggle that make me so firm in a life. Alright, so me have to give thanks to me freedom. Enough good youth me see them keep them. Man get the chance and I turn the scheme up. Every day we a braff with the real thugs. One mount a any, one mount a weed bun. Gyal a bring a come for the tum. Them give me wisdom till me feel numb, dog. We a do it large and I could do medium. When me not the mouth, God know I'm one. Man, remember days when I only me face my fall. Me never got no rich uncle for call, man, roll it out, Jordan. Remember when we just I do this, the whole of them, they laugh. The whole of them, they laugh. Never see we struggle, them only see the flaws. No, they kill them out and a braff, them a braff. Now everybody start call me the up top boss. All I wanna do, make money and live a fee. Take care of me out them and me family. Everybody have it clear, everyone have it. Upliftings, buy 2 beds for the ends. Nobody else want the place to be intensive. For one man, just have to run for the friends. Baby, just me and you. Make a fuck till the greater blue. Baby, just me and you. Make a fuck till the greater blue. Fuck a come, ayo. Hang up your phone. Ayo, nobody know that like up a ball. Your pussy no big.
Me's a girl, no beg nobody come and have one of things, yeah. Push and pull me, no puppet on no string. Independent, yes, I saw me do my thing. And if I fail me, I try again till you see me win. Roll out in a the beam, them a say me a the winner. Go la brighter than the sun in a the street. It a show my confidence, so me no listen teeth and tongue. And me pay when my bills them come. Me no depend on no man, I know me that. Some gal hype and broke, I know me that. Fi bad mind people, things me no pray that. Me life too blessed, just me believe that.
Girl, it's Santa. Girl, go side. Most girl out the road love me all them life. Me know the whole of them jealous and want on wife. Another one I wait for married for the family that's rice. Me guillotine done sharper than the rest, sharper than knife. So, man a girl is, girl is fly. Man a girl is, look a girl once, me no see that twice. Old girl is fly. Don't know man a girl,
I know if you can't be good, just be careful now. I know Upnlive team was definitely here this week. Thanks to all those people them that watch live, like, share. Thank you for your comments as well. Remember the show is sponsored by Shush Print, Vast Prints. We're produced by Wellmark Entertainment. We're here live on TGM Radio every Tuesday at 9 p.m. On behalf of myself, DJ Rick, Fire Q, Dragonasa, Chino, you know the thing go. Upnliveshow every Tuesday, hotspot here.
You fi catch it on. DJ, watch a girl, I'm one gear. One. Every girl I white, move your hand from you. Side. Come on. One. So the girl I'm in, what's that? You fi catch it on. Good like that. Every girl walk out. Hey, girl, you want up, girl. Shake up your girl. Like a African. One side you fi catch it on. Some girl can't tell you nothing. Call them up, doll. You. Never take away your mommy man. Tell some girls if you want you phenomenal. One side you figure cheap on. You no sad no hospital. She say her boyfriend a animal. So when you see me, girl, you figure cheap.
Pretty from your man, me see your baby picture fuller. From your man, me see you walk on your shoulder. Girl, your sexiness a multiply as you get older. You come fit, you know no order for your school. Canada, body at California, you're no shit. Like Arizona, more like Coca-Cola. Throw you back before me feel a good, you wanna polar. Taxi man alone can pick you up in a Corolla. When you see a girl say Ebola, Ebola. Wanna give you chat, you know no slave, you know no wanna come catch. Pan your back.
But buck up on your saving pan. The girl where you spend all of your savings on. The money where you give her for pay on the land. I hit me go use and go buy a new van. Whoa, we just read the saving pan. Your wife where you deposit the savings on. The money where you give her for buy a new house. I hit gabby than a flash out. Your girl I go hard from where be a youth. You know see I be a clocks when I wear youth. She said me Gucci. As me talk is a Kyle at a flick. Yeah, I saw girl go on when them a pay for the Western Union. I send me a intercept that. Your girl I the money and you can't protect that. As me need a new suit and the car that I swipe. Me don't know how some man take that. She wicked that.
You a braff and a laugh. Now make them stress you, my girl, cause you blessed from start. Show them them a choke and a cough. When them say how long in a this game where you lost, brav you a brav and a laugh. Hate them a hate and a underrate you from start. Choke them a choke and a cough. You know take life a joke, you know, so you do this from art. You see them, you see them, you see them. Them violate, God be with them. One advice if you give them, this is your life when I feel them. So give me the negative and give me the rhythm, baby girl, just shake and jiggle that take on the shape. When you got it, it's everlasting and the vibe when you got it, it's
your fish out that first, so clean from birth. You, mama, you're not big like church room. Work for the general work. You, baby, you don't need no perfume. Me need you, call up. Up it. When you feel butterfly, girl, believe no, not telling a lie. Put your body Puffini, pretty like a girl, them a Filipino. Girl up, till it a squeeze up. Cheese and beef, so you broke like a needle. Fish out that first, so clean from birth. You, mama, you're not big like church room. Work for the general work. You, baby, you don't need no perfume.
Awesome, big up to Shensia right now. She's doing so well for the culture.
It's not hard for me get that.
There's something going on. Me and her can't be friends every time, but
you know fit on.
what she do it, man? She do it.
It's me, I know the one where you can program me, no idiot to man. No. It's not hard for me get another man. One if you want, boy, you know fit on. Me no take this, me, I know the one where you can program me, no idiot to man. You wanna know me like support, you wanna know me last is word. Nothing what you do can't hurt me. Have the antidote. If you step a jump, man, I'm gonna read. Come me on a stone. I'm gonna flex if you left with so much money.
Killer, catch up, killer, catch up, killer.
Me tell you say you could, the manage now. You can't damage. What do that? No must parage. Nickel and a wiggle and no maggot and no cabbage.
School don't have to over, you wanna play. Wiggle, me a gone obey. Rockin' the lip on my, me just warm up that like me microwave. Ina.
Gotta say, I gotta leave you guys with this one. This one is a brand new track from Shensia featuring Tiger. This song is titled Bless. Wanna say peace, love your brother, love your sister, let love rule in everything you do. See you guys next week, same time, same place.
Shensia. First thing in the morning, when I wake up, thank God for life. Look in the mirror, say yes, I'm the best. Way too blessed. Yes, I'm the best. Way too blessed. No matter what you try, you could never be me, never I. Keep petting from the side, make me take this thing well worldwide. Never had to pretend, I'm a 5 times 2, that's a 10. Never ever beg friend, if they're not with me, no worry about them. Whoa, blind man can see it. Whoa, so every day I repeat it, I say, first thing in the morning, when I wake up, thank God for life. Look in the mirror, say yes, I'm the best. Way too blessed. Yes, I'm the best. Way too blessed.
450 on the necklace. I know you like it rough, I can.